EASYJoint is an all-weather jointing compound. It can be applied in virtually any weather conditions. It allows water to pass through and is 15 to 20 times faster than the conventional methods of jointing. Firstly, you need to prepare the area. Make sure that the area is free draining and that the bedding material is permeable. The paving needs to have a joint of at least 3 mm and be 25 mm or more deep. After you have prepared the area, thoroughly wet the surface. The wetter the better. Open the tub and remove the vacuum-packed bag. Cut open the bag and pour over the area to be pointed, shaking out all the EASYJoint. Then, using a squeegee, spread across the area, filling all the joints. Add more water as you go and continue to fill in any gaps. Sweep over the area to remove any of the excess EASYJoint. Make sure you sweep right to the edge of the paving. You can use your fingers if need be. Once all the joints are filled, have one last sweep over to remove any of the excess EASYJoint. Leave the joints for around an hour so they can start to dry. For a better looking joint, run the jointing trowel over the joints and smooth over the surface. If you have any further questions, please call us on 01252 517 571 or email us at sales@keybud.co.uk.